Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. If you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $1.7500. Okay, and chances can be high that there will be a look at this particular trend. There is a higher chances that we can see the shoe pattern is supporting this particular trend of towards downside and a further fall we can see. Okay, as if the dollar index started going, as it started a little up, so that is where we have seen going downfall. Okay, so chances can be high that now if you look at the dollar index also, you will see clearly how the price of trying to go upside. That is where we have seen the natural gas price has tried to move upside, otherwise there was a continuous downtrend. Okay, now if it start to go further upside, then we can see there will be furthermore downfall in the natural gas you. Okay, and there are a lot of factors which depends the price of natural gas. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, natural gas, there is a continuous downtrend we have seen. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining above a level of $1.85, keep that in mind, there is a higher chances of going further upside. But if the price started falling below a level of 1.7, we will see there will be a further fall in the price of natural gas. Now look at this particular trend. This was the price where the price was moving in a zone of $3 and $2 for long. As soon as this breakout happens, we have seen a 3.5 and 3.6 dollar high. Now the price has not, if the price started going over $2, we will see it will come again in this zone, but it is now not now, and chances can be high this particular trend is supporting a downtrend further. Okay, and if the price of dollar index started increasing further upside, then we will see that it will go further low. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, look at this particular trend of dollar index. See, now dollar index is trying to go further down because it is trying to create a U pattern, and chances can be high a further fall we can see in the price of dollar index towards a level of 102.516, and if started going below that particular level, a further fall towards $102.361. And if the price started moving below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 102.183, and then a further fall we can see towards 101.826. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances that it will move further down, and from there a level of 101.3432, and from there a probability of touching a level of 100.9. If the price started falling below that particular level, chances of going towards 100.642 will be there, and then we will see there will be higher chances of going further down towards a level of 100.075. Keep that in mind. There is why I'm showing you all this, because there is a chances of going further fall in the price of dollar index. We will see there will be a rise of in the natural gas prices if the price sustain. But for the natural gas price, if you look at the trend is supporting this particular downside, so a little upside. So if the price started going over level of 108, then we can see there will be a probability of a further upside, but overall trend is downside. Okay, because and this particular pattern is also supporting it. So now, so once the price of dollar index started going out 103, then only we will see there will be an upside in the dollar index, which will enter. Okay, now let's see if the price sustain this level, what we can see. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we will see it will go towards a level of $1.763683, and if the price sustain above that level, we will see a level of $1.7881, and if that level sustain, we will see it will cross a level of around $1.8781. Okay, and if the price keep moving out that particular level, we will see it will touch a level of 1.9, and if that sustain, we will see it will cross a level of $1.9284. Okay, and if that keep moving outside, you will see a level of around $2. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining above $2, we will see it will cross a level of $2.068, and then a further high we can see towards a level of $2.1178, which is the highest chances that it will goes towards a level of 2.3. As soon as the price starts sustaining at 2.3, we will see a level of 2.5708, and from there a probability of touching 2.78. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining at 2.78, we will see a level of $3, and from there a further upside movement we can. Price didn't sustain, we will see it can come down again towards a level of $1.7304, and from there a further fall 67904. If the price keep moving below that particular level, we will see a level of $1.6358, and then we will see it will cross a level of now 1.5825. Price started falling below that level, we will see it will cross a level of 1.5221, and then from there it will touch its all-time low, and then there is a probability of touching a level of $5 and then to a level of 1.4 also. The price keep moving below this level. If the price start to going below this level 1.5, I'll make another video explaining it to you.